Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing the fall of the Berlin Wall, a pivotal event in world history that symbolized the end of the Cold War and the reunification of Germany. Introduction or outro. We narrate the fall of the Berlin Wall, the events leading up to the fall of the Berlin Wall, and its significance in history. Step back in time and witness a moment of magic that reshaped history. Imagine the tension, the whispers of change, and the undeniable energy that culminated in a single, monumental event. The fall of the Berlin Wall not only marked the physical collapse of a barrier, but also a profound shift in global dynamics. Picture the fervor of the people, the echoes of freedom as separation gave way to unity. Every chisel, every cheer, and every shared embrace had a profound significance beyond borders. Join us on this enchanted journey through the events that led to a transformation so extraordinary, it still captivates hearts worldwide. The details of the events. 1. Background of the Berlin Wall. It was erected in 1961 by the German Democratic Republic, East Germany. The Berlin Wall physically and ideologically divided East and West Berlin. It was intended to stop the mass exodus of East Germans to the more prosperous West. 2. Events leading up to the fall. Political changes. In the 1980s, Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev introduced reforms like glasnost, openness, and perestroika, restructuring, leading to a more liberal atmosphere in Eastern Europe. Protests and reforms, growing unrest and protests in East Germany, coupled with the liberalization of other Eastern Bloc countries, put pressure on the East German government. Opening of borders. On November 9, 1989, a government spokesperson mistakenly announced that East German citizens could cross the border freely, leading to a spontaneous rush to the wall. 3. The fall of the wall. Thousands of East and West Berliners gathered at the wall, and border guards, overwhelmed by the crowd, opened the gates. The event was broadcast worldwide, showing scenes of jubilation and the physical dismantling of the wall by citizens. 4. Significance in history. It was a symbol of freedom. The fall of the Berlin Wall became a powerful symbol of the end of communist oppression and the triumph of democratic values. The reunification of Germany. It paved the way for the reunification of Germany on October 3, 1990. End of the Cold War. It marked a significant step towards the dissolution of the Soviet Union and the end of Cold War tensions. Outro or summary. The fall of the Berlin Wall was not just a political event, but a profound moment of human triumph and unity. It reshaped the geopolitical landscape of Europe and the world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and stay tuned for more historical insights.